Hello to all of my lovely friends. I hope you're doing great and feeling well. So welcome back to one more video, which is a Chrome style text effect from Hyperpix.net's collections. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can work with this style and convert your text or logo into this magnificent style, which you see without needing to be a professional at Photoshop or spend a long time to design the style. Just with one click and in less than 1 minute, you can get to this brilliant result. So if you'd like to download this style, just refer to Hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership, and I'm going to access this style and hundreds of different styles. So let's get started and see how we can work with this style. So you just need to right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In the window which appears right here, easily you can just double click on any text layer and edit it and type your ideal text. Just like this. For instance, I'm going to type Resident Evil. Also, the text at the bottom, I'm going to do the same. Here we go. So I can lessen the distance between the characters just like this, or enlarge the text. Just notice that we have a warp on our text. You just need to select the warp tool, and you can adjust the bend and place on any level you want. Also, you can change the font. You're totally free in this stuff. So I'm going to close and click save to see our final result. So as you see, without any special effort or spending a long time, our style is converted, and as you see, the amazing details and the result is beautiful. So we're going to get on the rest of the layers. We have this text here and text at the bottom right here, which you could just double click and type your ideal text and change the text just like this. Here you go. You can also move it around. The same with the text at the bottom. You can also remove it if you don't need it right here. So we have the sparkles right here, which are these adorable little lights right here, which multiply the beauty of our text. You just need to select them one by one and place them wherever you like. Preferentially place them on the edges and the corners of the text to have a lovely light reflection. Just like this. I'm going to place them one by one in the right place. So if you like, you can also get copies of them with Alt and drag them all over your text and place them wherever you want. See, I'm duplicating with Alt and I'm dragging all over. So we're done here with the sparkles. We have the style folder right here, which is a main style of our text. I suggest just ignore it because it creates the main layers. So finally we have the lights folder, which is this light shining from down here, which you can just leave it remaining or just switch it off. You can just double click on this icon and select color overlay and select any color you want. I mean every single color you imagine. It has here. It contains 2 layers, which this is the other separate color which you can change and select. So we're done right here. If you want, you can also have the text in a transparent, just to switch the lights, background and sparkles folder off. And as you see, we have a transparent style right here, which is fantastic, and you can get a PNG outcome and drag it onto any other project. So we're going to see how we can convert this style to a logo. I'm going to come out to this window right here, and I'm going to insert my logo. Here we go. Just drag right here, place it right in the center. We don't need this text right here, just remove them. I'm going to close and click save. So as you see how beautiful our style is converted, we didn't need to do any special things. Just place the sparkles in the right place. Fastest way is to just leave one sparkle remaining, delete all the others, and get copies of that one sparkle with Alt and drag all over the text so your time isn't wasted. So as you see, we're done right here. All the sparkles are in the right place. As you saw how great we was able to turn this logo into this great style. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to download this style, just refer to Hyperpix.net and you're going to join hundreds of different texts. We also have a free section, which is our free text effects, and you can use them in all your different projects. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Bye to our next video.